The giant balloons are back and they're in a line again, and Gaunson has a really big bear. Once again, we're competing to see who can pop the most balloons in the video.
Items galore, balloons will be popping. Someone's throwing this chair that I'm sitting on.
It's a goodie.
Gaunson, you're up first, mystery box. Oh, heck.
Rake! Oh!
I also caught a giant bear just then.
Rake in hand. Right. Oh! Heck! Oh! Oh! What?
5! Oh, I'm just... No, thank you. It's just got that last fifth.
Oh, mate.
Slide into the fifth.
In this video, we're going to have themed rounds. The first one is the shed round, hence round. The rake.
Rack off. Oh, this is so light. Alright, what you got here? Oh my god. 1 in 2. It's flipping many spanners.
How many can you wield?
5 feels pretty good.
Do you want to try 6? Here we go. On the run up.
Is that like 7? Oh. 7! The Lord's number is good. Slowy. Look at the forearms on that piece.
Oh my goodness! You need to go apply for a marble.
Great spread.
I did go high too. Didn't appreciate that.
Yeah, but that's a really good bunch.
Look at that guy up there. He's flipping sailing.
Last item from the shed.
Is that to give you a haircut?
I'm ready.
They look freaking huge.
Heron, you don't want to get too close to me because I'm going to literally...
Could whip me in the testicles.
You getting up here, Derek?
Gauntson's also pushing Jack in the slow-mo camera.
Oh, he's pulled it! He's pulled it!
And I think I saw sparks.
Definite pull down.
I've done it before.
Oh! That's in my ear, Heron. Woo!
In your ear.
The next round's toys.
These 3 things.
We're going to do a mini game before each round. Whoever wins it gets double points for the next throw. What's our mini game?
I know. Jack throws out a math question. First one to get it right.
-13 plus 57.
44.
Oh no! Heron, well done.
What toy are you getting?
Dunno. I do know.
Ooh,
Lego!
Gaunson has 1 minute to build something to throw.
You're 10 seconds in, you've done nothing.
40 seconds in. Shivers, give me a block that works.
That works.
3, 2, 1. Hands up. Hands down, hands down.
That one actually fell off.
Hey, hey.
Here we go, Lego dog coming in. Hello, boys.
Oh, good run.
Oh, 4.
Well done, Scott.
Yeah.
What are we getting?
Giant teddy bear.
He's got a teddy. Big bear, eh?
Trying to get that hook to flick into it. Flick in.
This bear is from Dr. K, who is the person who repairs
greatest lady.
Rexy. She does all his stitches. Shout out to you, Dr. K, and your marvellous teddy bear hospital.
Stanford.
Double points for Heron. Oh. Wait, it could pop. It could. Heron has just messled with the line, and I just said the word messel.
I was meant to be doing something silly behind the Phantom, but you'll never see it.
And the good news keeps coming for me, because I get the last remaining soldier, Mr. Potato Head! Oh, nice grimace.
I mean, teeth are bad.
Oh, what a frame!
And the hook did come around.
Oh!
My plan happened.
Oh! What a slowie.
That's unlucky.
I'm going to absolutely pelt this bloke.
Your angry eyes and the monkey food.
All for it.
The monkeys!
Oh, eyebrows. Yeah, no, good. Good brows.
Can you imagine if our faces had the nose above the eyes? Toby, can you just show me what it would look like if I was like this?
I can see it. It's hilarious.
Come on, you PH. Give me 2. Oh! Oh! Only 1.
Oh.
What's the next round? What's the next round?
Kitchen round.
Okay.
Kitchen.
Beans, microwave and fry pan.
Heron's picking the mini game for this round for double points.
We're throwing Rexies at a basketball hoop.
Ooh, I like it.
Basketball hoop is up there. Heron, do you want OG?
I'll go OG.
Go! Heron! Oh! Oh! What's that? Go! Oh! No! I'm over the top! Get there! Oh, yeah! Beauty! Gaunson, I have a deal for you. If you can make it on this throw, you also get double points. But if you miss, you get half points.
Half or double. Yeah, right, let's do it.
Oh! Oh! He's taking it.
He's going to be on half points.
Go! Oh! Yeah! That's good!
Stanford's up first. Kitchen round. Microwave, microwave, microwave.
Fry pan. It's actually pretty weighty, but not sharp.
The handle is key. Go off early.
That's steel. Don't want to pull it.
Straight down the line.
Come on.
Oh!
Jeez, that could have been worse, but that's still 6 points.
Heron. Bean! Oh! They're big too.
To have the beans. Get your hands off my beans. Definitely on a 2-seam fast bean.
Don't miss.
You could pull it left. He does pull left sometimes.
Mind games. Mind games.
Left throw, left throw. Pull left. He's gonna pull left. Hate it when they go left. Sometimes it goes left.
Alright, I'm on. High five. High five. 5 more on the board. I'm up to 12.
The good news for you, mate,
So I've got half points.
and you've got a microwave. Door open.
Wow, what a luxury, boys.
It's like quite heavy.
Don't forget, this is for half points. Here we go. Yep, walking in with the bowler.
1 point.
The editors are absolutely ecstatic with that, aren't they, Jack? No half points. Do you reckon that's the farthest anyone's ever thrown a microwave? Like, is that a potential world record?
I hope not.
Next round is things found in the office. And the mini game, boys. Blindfolded spin soccer. If you pop it, you get double points. 1, 2, 3. Oh! 1, 2, 3.
One.
2. That's gotta be right.
3.
Office round, let's go. What do we got?
I got the worst item. I got mouse. 1% of here. I'm holding this bit.
USB-A.
No
Yeah.
one cares though.
One last click.
What's that button?
That button says hurry up and throw.
Come on,
Here we
come
go.
on, leader.
Yes!
Yeah.
Good for us, bro.
Gaunson to pick.
Genie lamp! Yeah!
I bought this thing in the market. I love it, but I'm willing for it to get a little bit of damage for a good viddy.
Is it heavy?
Weighty. Is that brass?
Yeah, it's a brass beauty, and you're gonna send
Down
it
the line. Send that brass beauty down the line.
Do it for Aladdin. Oh, what happened there?
He went a little left, but somehow it's come back.
Gaunson is devastated with an 8 at the moment.
I mean, I'm wrapped for my score, but geez, the just clean sheeter would have been good, wouldn't it?
Here comes Dan. Throw the chair.
Come on,
Come
Speedy
on.
for the win. Still goes up and down. Still reclines. Massive rainbow in the air. We've got some ripping items for what we call the rainbow round because it's sort of like a rainbow, even though the colours are all off.
It's more the shape. The shape of a rainbow.
That's true.
What's our mini game? Michael, could I get you in position? He's planned this.
Oh, I think I know what's happening.
Time.
Through the legs, double points.
I do like that.
Come around. What? Hey! I tell you what!
No!
Yeah!
No!
Yes!
What? Almost good.
Good the whole way!
Oh, nah.
Oh no. No.
Ooh.
Oh,
Hey, don't.
oh, that's not dead. Yeah!
No double points in this round, thank goodness.
Also, the slide. Really like these pants.
Yeah, that's
On what? Gaunson to pick. They're all pretty good.
Javi!
The javelin!
Not as probably good as the darts, but not bad.
Gaunson, you've done javelin in school and stuff.
High
PB
school.
length? 45.
I could honestly grab 10-minute nap here. It's just real comfy. Ooh.
Gaunson's gonna really hoof this. Oh. Almost.
Oh, the plays! That's unlucky. Oh, I got one.
I got one.
Swiss Army!
Yes!
Hey, Brett, you've actually cleared the full 10 set once.
Yeah, can we play that clip again? I feel like if we haven't seen it enough. Literally, that hit the very top of some and the absolute bottom of the last one. Like, I could not do that again in 100 tries.
Perfection.
I have 10 darts, all red.
Gosh! Jennifer!
Oh, no! 7! It was a great noise early, and I was like, it's almost so satisfying.
I mean, 7's still pretty good. Let's not snooze on 7.
I don't know where they went wrong. Too high.
Overshot.
Let's have a look at that slow dog.
I'm just too strong sometimes.
Yeah.
I've never had that experience before. Heron, you're up with the Swissy. What are you doing with it, Heron?
Problem's about that, I reckon. I don't want to pull it down and left like I've done many times. Yeah, I said I didn't want to miss left. I missed right!
It was like, that was only one pop.
I think it may have got somewhat caught up in the balloon. It had that look.
A look! Mate, it was going...
In fairness, Heron, Swiss Army knives are not made to be thrown, so I don't want to be too harsh on you, but it was a stinker.
That sucked.
How many rounds have we got left?
One.
This is it.
With a mini game.
The big dance is here, we're here.
Can we just cut to us literally saying go on the mini game?
Go.
No! Stanford, you won.
I won! Yeah!
We collided and we're all lightheaded.
You know when it all starts spinning a bit? You know, dark?
Are you okay, Scott?
Yeah.
Final round is here. We've made a stairway.
Whoa!
Stairway to Black Curtain.
It's gonna be tough. We have got good items though, including a gun. Here we go, Heron. Big, massive mystery box here. Option 1 is Michael's tennis ball of death.
That's a beauty.
Option 2 is a handful of whatever delicious screws you want.
Tasty. Option 3.
It's Australia's version of a gun, which is a
Paintball gun. Look at it. Tip man.
handful of screws, handful of screws, handful of screws. Oh!
Paintball.
Screws for me.
Oh, big.
I got Michael's tennis ball of
For
death.
double points.
Ooh.
Oh.
How much death did you put in that ball, Michael? You might be wondering, boys, where's the bow? And it's there next to the bear. That's the winning prize. You get to shoot a compound bow at a full line to see if we can get 12 in a row, which we've never got before. You can kick things off because you're the clubhouse leader. Those screws look gnarly.
They are.
Derek got 11 with screws, but they bounced off the ground. Gaunson will categorically not be aided by a bounce. Imagine having 3 bum cheeks. How many screws? 9. I'm gonna hit it with a bit of speedo in me and also in my arm. Not terrible.
He's got 7.
He's trying to make sense of it.
How did you miss Greenie?
What about him? I'm pretty happy with that. Hey, well played.
You've beaten me, well done.
Stage is set, everyone. Glove is needed.
Big moment. Is he gonna take it from me?
Gotta rip this thing. Ready?
Oh, stuff.
Oh, it was left. It was left.
He's cooked it left.
We've lowered the stairway to heaven a bit at Heron's request. He's sighting him up with the paintball. Big what about Granny? There you go. Everyone, this is Steve from Dash Paintball here in Perth. He's helped us out. There you go, feel that. Feel it in the hand. Feel the girth in it. It's hard. That's
like
good.
a little pea.
Steve, approximate speed of that paintball is...
Around 300 feet per second.
It's 100 meters a second.
That's zinging.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean, you can't throw that fast. It's a wicked looking paintball gun.
It's sick, eh?
Derek's been playing Call of Duty every lunchtime for the last month in practice for this. Don't aim low, Heron. 3, 2, 1. Oh! It was really quick, wasn't it?
Very quick. Like 325 kilometers per hour. Quick.
Was it missing or?
It did 5 really quick. There it is! Oh! It stopped it!
Yeah, I've been stopped, boys.
You didn't miss though.
It would have been really, really bad to miss.
Every bit of fill was right here, which
So it's
means
down.
it has to have broken here
Oh, for sure.
and not up there.
What was good, Derek, is that you actually answered the question. 5
Giant balloons.
I thought it'd only be 1.
Folks, you actually don't know how many hoops we had to jump through to do that.
I had to have a letter from the police.
Alright, let's get 12 in a line and have a go with the bow.
We've never got all 12. I know I lost the comp, but I'd be genuinely ecstatic if you could take this bad boy down.
I'm not fussed either way, if I'm honest. I'll be a little cheesed if he gets some more, because I've had many goes at this and not gotten it. And I lost today, so you get honesty from Heron. I don't want him to get it.
And I do want to say a thank you to RAC Arena. Have been big again. It's a great stadium. We don't take it for granted that we can come in here and film. It's just genuinely sweet.
Right, ready?
Yeah.
You only live once. 3, 2, 1, fire!
Oh, 1? He missed 1 again?
1, fire!
Is that the most unsatisfying thing you've ever seen?
There is a gap under the red.
You'd be desperately unlucky.
This one remains. There's a foot gap.
Where's the arrow?
It's not low, is it?
Arrow is right there.
That means it's gone under it and then either bounced up.
It must have bounced up to get the other three.
I'm not angry.
No,
I'm just disappointed. I don't even feel like punching's gonna make me feel better.
Maybe. Oh!
Okay, that did feel a little better.
Great vid. 44 Club, love you. Slowy.